So next we have is the dashboard. So dashboard displays sentiment, estimate, and regression. We have a bunch of settings for the position of the dashboard. You can make it small or large, and also change the text color and border color, right? So this is the screener. We'll come back to it later. So let me just turn them off and focus on the dashboard, right? So I have the bar color turned on, and I have turned off all the features for the smart money concept syndicator. So this is the dashboard. I have turned off all the time frames, and now let's study how the dashboard works. So the bar color is aligned with the estimate values of the dashboard. So if the estimate has bearish or red indication, the bar color will be red, which means downwards momentum or bearish momentum. If the estimate is in the green, the bar color will be in the green, which means that we have the upward momentum, right? So here the bar color was green, and now the bar color is red, which means the downwards momentum, right? So it's highly useful if you take into consideration the estimate and regression values. So once we have the estimate and regression in the red, we will see a lot of downward momentum. So here we can turn on the scalp mode, and if we see a scalp which also aligns with the estimate and the regression, which means that the estimate is bearish and the regression is bearish, and we have a bearish scalp, so the market is going to go down, and we can see the market just shown us the bearish momentum here. So again, if we see here, we had the scalp in the red, and the bar color, which is the estimate value, was in the red here, and we saw a downwards momentum, right? So again, here we had the scalp in the green, the bar color was green, we saw a upwards momentum. So these values are really useful. And if you turn on the screener, which is the 3-minute, 5-minute, or we can turn on the 30-minute and 1 hour, all the way up to weekly. So if we see how the market is going to behave, it will show us all the time frames with the estimate and regression values on the same chart, and let it load. So we have the 3-minute in the red, 5-minute is in the green, and we have all the regression in the red. And so we have the regression turning green, which means that if we wait for the regression to turn red, which it just did now we can see a lot of downwards momentum now. So with the scalp active and the estimate and regression in the red, so we can keep an eye on all the estimate and regression values and how they can benefit us when we are in a position or when we are trading, right? So these estimate and regression values, they are highly useful to understand the market behavior, if the market is bullish or if the market is bearish. Right here, like here, we had the estimate value in the green and we saw upwards momentum, estimate value in the red, we saw downwards momentum. So they are pretty useful, right?